Hello guys, in today's video, we're gonna check out the 5 best recumbent exercise bikes in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these best recumbent exercise bikes. You can check out the description below. So let's get started. Number 5. Schwinn 270 Recumbent Exercise Bike. Thanks to its 25 resistance levels, ability to store multiple user profiles, and other impressive features, we chose the 270 Recumbent bike as our top overall pick. A household name in the cycling realm, Schwinn built this recumbent bike with home riders in mind. It has a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds and a sliding seat to adjust for your ideal pedal position. The seat is padded, well ventilated, and contoured to provide lumbar support as you exercise. Plus, the 3-speed fan keeps you cool throughout your workout. The perimeter-weighted flywheel makes for a smooth ride, and 29 workout presets allow you to take advantage of the bike's many resistance levels, giving you the exact intensity you want. What's more, the LCD display lets you store workouts across 4 different user profiles, so everyone in your home can keep track of their own fitness data. Number 4. Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike with Resistance ME709. For a fraction of the price of other bikes on our list, you can enjoy this recumbent design from Marcy. The heavy-duty construction supports a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds, and the seat slides to accommodate a wide range of leg lengths. The step-through design makes it easy and safe to hop on and off whenever you are ready to exercise, and the magnetic resistance mechanism provides 8 different resistance levels for you to customize your workout based on your needs. We love that the LCD display allows for a clear and sharp readout of your time, speed, distance, and calories burned in extra large numbers, so you won't feel compelled to hunch forward in the high-density foam seat. Finally, the bike features contoured, foam-covered handles for extra support as you ride, keeping your form intact and your back free of pain. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness SF-RB 4631 Recumbent Bike. As you age, it's important to maintain your strength, endurance, and flexibility across all major muscle groups to stave off injury successfully. For this reason, we recommend this recumbent bike that also features hand pedals so you can challenge your upper body as well. The magnetic resistance flywheel makes for a smooth and adjustable ride and allows you to choose from 8 resistance levels. The arm resistance is also adjustable, so you can tailor it to your fitness level. The bike is very well constructed and sturdy enough to support up to 350 pounds safely. A large seat and back cushion provide plush comfort and are easy to adjust on the fly. Plus, the easy-to-read digital monitor screen displays your workout time, distance, and calories. We love that it's also equipped with transportation wheels at the front so you can easily move it from room to room or store it away. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness SF-RB 4708 Magnetic Recumbent Exercise Bike. Worried when it comes to the weight capacity of your fitness equipment? If that's your main concern, we recommend this recumbent bike from Sunny Health and Fitness, which features a heavy-duty frame that safely supports up to 350 pounds. Its oversized seat and backrest provide the posture-correcting support you need for a safe workout, and the seat is easily adjusted while you are already on the bike, so you can find your ideal position and get right to pedaling. Speaking of pedals, this bike includes non-slip adjustable foot pedals with a large surface area for stability. Meanwhile, the magnetic resistance flywheel allows you to choose from 8 different resistance levels during your workout, and the movable handlebars give you an excellent total body workout option. Number 1. IRONMAN Exerpeutic 400 XL Folding Recumbent Bike. If you're looking for a foldable recumbent exercise bike, yes, there is such a thing. We recommend this model from Exerpeutic. It supports a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds and fits in an impressively compact home gym space. With the foldable design, you sacrifice the preferred magnetic resistance flywheel, but the 3-piece cranking system still provides a smooth and consistent pedaling experience. Meanwhile, the resistance system does use magnetic tension control to give you 8 resistance levels to choose from, and the LCD display tracks your distance, calories, time, speed, and heart rate. The seat sits a little higher than most recumbent bike models, but if foldability is the priority, you really do get the best of all worlds with this pick.